protecting. We have a lot of extra looping going on, doing some pre-victory runs before they're coming in for a landing. Here they come. And I do want to point out we've been joined by some blue-throated macaws right over by Keegan there. That small blue bird, that is the blue-throated macaw. They represent that critically endangered species. That one over there looks like Mulan. We work with about 90 macaws. Every single bird has a name and an identifier. We can tell who's who, which is pretty cool. And right now, you might have noticed when these birds were coming in, we were doing a lot of waving. We're not saying hi to the birds, we're actually giving them more information because in this flock, there are 7 brand new baby birds that haven't done this behavior yet. They're still learning how to come out here and land on the roost of the tree of life. And there they go, off on their next adventure. We still have a couple of our feathered stars hanging out. We'll be here as long as they are, so feel free to come on up, snap some photos, and ask any questions you might have. We'd love to talk about birds.
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar.
Love? Yes? Okay. There's a store right here. I'll wait outside the store.
Huh?
There's a store here. I'll wait outside.
Okay.
We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiyume, and I am the leader of our group. There is the mighty pachyderm. Let me hear you trumpet triumphant.
Hey guys, it looks like we're all here. Let's go!
Let's settle down. For the last time, I want quiet. Thank you.
I know that your powers of retention are as wet as a warthog's backside. But thick as you are, pay attention. My words are a matter of pride. It's clear from your vacant expression. There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of the rolling world can be turned away.
Where's the weed teacher? Come on, just listen to teacher. I know